The High Court's decision is the most significant ruling on the issue in decades and comes as a rising number of people in the U.S. are without a permanent place to live.
Now, this case centered around an outdoor sleeping ban in Grants Pass, Oregon. In a 6-3 decision along ideological lines, the justices found that such bans do not violate the Eighth Amendment. Reaction from state and local leaders has been mixed.
Governor Gavin Newsom issued a statement saying this decision removes the legal ambiguities that have tied the hands of local officials for years and limited their ability to deliver on common sense measures to protect the safety and well-being of our communities.
Another city that's been grappling with the issue, San Francisco. ABC 7 News reporter Suzanne Fawn joining us now with reaction from leaders on both sides of this debate. Suzanne?
So Larry, Kristen, some San Francisco city leaders and concerned residents say this is a step in the right direction when it comes to tackling the homelessness crisis. The mayor says this gives the city the ability to take more aggressive action to keep streets clean and clear.
As a result of this decision, we are able to enforce the law and to clear the encampments off the street now.
Mayor London Breed says the Supreme Court's decision Friday on clearing homeless camps is a big boost. She says San Francisco has acted with compassion, offering services and shelter to homeless people, but many people continue to refuse the help.
This is about people who are refusing. We cannot continue to allow anything to go, and that's why this decision is a good decision for us, because we will be able to take progressive action in order to get people off the streets and make them more uncomfortable about trying to be on the streets in the first place.
This comes at a time when the unsheltered population in San Francisco County is 4,300 people. The Coalition on Homelessness says banning camping outside in public spaces could mean punishing people with fines or jail time when they don't have any other place to sleep.
Homeless people are already suffering out on the streets, and this is a big kick in the knees. And they're losing a right that says that they can't be arrested or cited for being too poor to afford a place to live when no shelter is available.
San Francisco's mayor and city attorney say the city will not immediately start enforcing fines or people sleeping outside. The city will need to review the decision and determine what steps are next. What is clear?
The answer is they could be cited. This case does allow us to address some of the more difficult situations. We've had challenging homeless encampment situations where individuals have refused offers of sheltered services, where someone will just pick up a tent and just move down a block. And this decision will give the city more flexibility to address that.
Going on 7, 8 years or more.
For nearly a decade, 50-year-old Shabella Roberts has been living on the streets. Robert doesn't agree with the Supreme Court's decision to allow homeless camps to be cleared. She says she won't move to a shelter.
They can't force us. I'd like to see them try. I wouldn't stay in a shelter if you paid me all the money on the planet. Some of the shelters here are dangerous.
Mayor Breed says it will take time to update city policies and train staff. She also says law enforcement might be more involved now in clearing encampments. Meanwhile, Coalition on Homelessness says its lawsuit against San Francisco, filed in fall 2020, will now proceed. It resulted in a federal injunction restricting the city from sweeping homeless encampments. A federal magistrate judge paused the case until after the U.S. Supreme Court's decision. Live in the newsroom, Suzanne Fawn, ABC 7 News.